the Ramada Plaza, right up on top. There is the suites guest pool area. And then if you come out of there and go up this way, just where that tattoo thing is going back and forth there's a hole in the fence which takes you, quite a large hole in the fence, which takes you to Murphy's. Otherwise you've got to walk all the way up here and around to Murphy's. It's a lot easier and quicker. You use your key to get in. There we go. Come on. Did it work or did it work or was it you?
No, it worked.
Oh, yeah.
I learned to just fold back and then
Yeah.
and you're gonna have to come back. So you all having a good day?
Yes, thank you, Bertha. How are you?
I'm good. I'm just double checking and I'll see you.
Yeah.
As long as you're smiling, my day's okay. You all enjoy your afternoon.
Thank you, Bertha. This open should be. That's it. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. So, hi, we're in the Ramada Plaza. They've just done new rooms out. We're in room 208. As you walk in through the door, there is a toilet, a lovely huge mirror, lots of towels, and the shower. That looks lovely. That looks really nice. The floor is all nice. They've just done this out, so we're showing you around because we're hoping to stay in one of these new type rooms in the future. And here you've got some storage. In here you've got some storage. Coming through here, there's a sliding door here to go into the bathroom. You've got luggage rack. You have some artwork. You have two lovely made beds. The air conditioning is wonderful. You have a phone and two bedside lamps. The view outside is of the lake, dockside and surfside, and also just at the corner there, you might be able to see it, is the pool. We'll show you the pool in a second. A chair, desk area with lamp. Plug sockets. You have some plug sockets here. Also plug sockets on the wall next to the desk. And then you have a microwave, tea and coffee making facilities, a ice bucket. In here you have more storage, and in here you have a small fridge. Well, it's not very small. It's a nice size fridge. One thing I didn't see, is there a safe? Oh, there is a safe in there. I'm not sure whether I showed it before. But that's the room. It's lovely. A nice size TV. Very, very nice indeed. It is. I like these as well, Pandy. These are sort of like snug.
Yeah, nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
And the aircon unit.
A new aircon unit, is it?
Yeah.
Very nice.
It's the old ones in it, the old ones.
Yeah. There you go. So this is one of the new rooms in the south tower of the Ramada Plaza on International Drive, and it looks beautiful. It really does. Before we go, there's the hanging space, and I'm guessing, yeah, there's some more. There's some coat hangers in there. But yeah, it's really nice. Very happy. I'll show you the pool area next. We have the reception area of the hotel. This takes you up this side to the north side, north tower. If you go out that area there where those people are going out, you go to the south tower. The breakfast area is just down here. So you've got a ramp and steps, and this is where breakfast is served. Inside there, like a beautiful view when you have breakfast. So they have cereals, fruit juices, fruit, Then there's pancakes, there's waffles, there's tater tots, I think, toast, jams, yeah, all different things. They have eggs there as well. And then that's the way in and out, straight up there. And this is the bar area here. And the opening times are there. The pool area is just down those steps, and there it is. Pool area, again with a beautiful view. It is worth mentioning, if you do buy drinks at the bar, that you need to buy tickets at reception. You just pay. I paid $5 for a drink the other night, so they gave me a ticket, and then I gave it to the person behind the bar then, Karen. And then through here is the North Tower. So you'll need a key card to access any of these areas. Worth mentioning as well that the toilets, the restrooms and the vending machine is just through here. The vending machine is quite useful if you forget anything. They have got things there, snacks and drinks. They have guest services, and they also have a business centre as well, so you can go in as long as you use your key card, and you can use their computers. Right, back to the lifts. The elevators. You put your key card in until it goes green, and then press what floor you want. Actually, I want 12. Come on, 12. There you go. So that was a tour of a deluxe room in the South Tower of the Ramada Plaza. If you'd like to have a look at the club level 1-bedroom suites, which also gives you access to the sky bar and rooftop pool, please see our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.